Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom selector click pop-up using PopupKit Pro, so your pop-up appears when someone clicks a specific button on your page. Let's get started. Note, this feature requires PopupKit Pro, so make sure you have the Pro version installed and activated. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to PopupKit Templates. Choose any template you like and click Use Template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, customize the content. Update the text, images, buttons, and styling according to your needs. Now click on the Campaign Settings icon and go to the Content tab. Under Display Options, set the Open Event to Custom Selector Click. You'll see a field to enter a selector. In this example, we're using the selector This Means. The pop-up will open when an element with this selector is clicked. Once everything is set, click Publish to make your pop-up live. Now go to your Elementor page where you want the pop-up to appear. Add a button widget and set the button name or CSS ID to Update the Page. Now whenever someone clicks this button, the pop-up will appear instantly.